I'm Dr. Melissa. I'm here to share about portobello mushrooms. I'm talking about these juicy ones, and you don't always need a burger. You can actually have a portobello steak. The fun thing about portobello mushrooms are it can be a substitute for red meat or chicken and has high vitamins, especially in B vitamins, and can help fight infection, cancer, and inflammation. If they were in the sun, they have B12, so that's a bonus. There's about 5 and I washed it clean, took out all the dirt. We're gonna marinate it, but the first step is making sure you take away this stem here. You don't want that. The stem is really hard, so it should look like this. And now we're just gonna marinate. So with this amount, I would probably use 1/4 of a tablespoon of garlic powder, and if you are allergic, you can try onion powder, and if you are really adventurous, you can definitely try both. Want to make sure you put it on the top of the mushroom and also the bottom of the mushroom so it has equal amounts of flavor. I created this to be a mixture of like a fusion of Italian and Asian fusion, so it's gonna have thyme and oregano. So you can see what's happening. Just so you know, I used about half a teaspoon of both thyme and oregano, and then this is a mixture of sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds because they're high in omega-3, helps the brain and the gut with tryptophan and tyrosine to help regulate your mood, your energy, and also help you get less stress. Almost looks like a burger bun, but it's mushroom patties. Here are the seasoned mushrooms. It has sesame seeds, and then I put some thyme and oregano. These are all great anti-inflammatory. And I put some garlic and onion powder for those who are lovers of that. So how do we make this juicy? I want to marinate it, and you could pick your soy sauce. I like Coco's Aminos, which is low sodium. It's a soy base, but if you're trying to be gluten-free, you can also look for something like this, tamari soy sauce, and you can use 1 tablespoon. If you wanted some extra steak flavor, you have 2 options. You can do organic washer sauce, and I literally am just gonna use 1/4 teaspoon, just a little bit. Some people like it to be a little liquid smoke flavored. I'm gonna actually grill them. That's the surprise I have for you. So you don't necessarily need this. You can choose to use a balsamic vinegar if you want it to have a glaze. I like using balsamic vinegar. You can use a black balsamic vinegar, but mine's gonna be a clear version. So cheers. It smells so good. It actually smells like peaches, like peach juice. I can potentially drink it, but it's not wine, it's balsamic vinegar. It almost looks like olive oil, but it's not. There you go. It's gonna marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, friends, so this has been soaking for about 15, and I think about 30 minutes because I was doing some other stuff. This is gonna be extra flavorful, so we're gonna start cooking. It's gonna be a grilled portobello steak, so I'm gonna put this on medium heat here, and then add a little bit of olive oil just to coat it. You can do a spray, or you can just drizzle it. I'm going to take each portobello and just lay it flat like this. You're gonna marinate it nicely. You're gonna have a little bit of extra juice, as you see here. Can you see this? These are going to be some delicious portobello steaks. Okay, I ran around the house, did some laundry, checked my dryer, and then also washed some dishes. So it's pretty tidy and clean. This is a low maintenance dish, easy peasy. Fresh off the skillet, instead of using a grill, I'm gonna plate this, and I'm just gonna place one right here, and another one, and another one, just to show you the final product. Just like that. So here's the sage. It's really lovely on the portobello mushroom. It's just so nice and juicy. So if you want some simple, practical, juicy, tasty recipes for your gut-brain immune connection, follow me at Dr. Melissa's Kitchen, Dr. Melissa Mondala. I'm your doc. I love bringing food as healing, as medicine, because lifestyle's where it's at. You can do all the supplements in the world, but if you don't have your food, you're missing out. This is the real deal. This is where it starts, in your kitchen. So taste it with me, try it, cook it, and let's cook along. If you want to hear more, share, like, subscribe, tell a friend. Write a comment what kind of food you want to see, what kind of recipe, what kind of ingredients you want to hear. Tell me more, because I love hearing it. I love seeing you here, and I can't wait to see you again next time.